Hi everyone, welcome back to Dimension Traders Trading Review at June 11, 2017. Today we are going to review the unfolding pair on the June 8th and a couple of new possibilities set up on June 11th, which is today. Most of the trade we are involved in now is continuation setup and fewer reversal. So let's take a look on the first one. The first trade taking place on last Friday, June 8th, in European yen. The pair is very clearly reversal setup down in this demand zone along with the trend line. MACD and the entries right here. The trade did not hit our target before the market close, but we do take some profit and close the trade. This is a good setup after the unfold. Okay, let's go to the next one. This one is New Zealand yen. New Zealand yen taking the place in the same time as the trade pulling back to our expecting entry and going up to the closer target we have. So similar situation to European yen, did not hit the target, but we do close some profit before the before Friday market close. So this is a good with a profit taking trade for continuation pattern. Okay, let's move on. For European USD, last week the pricing did not going up to our expecting entry point, and which happened today. We have the new entry happening right around this area, which is the same area we saw last week. So today, the one of the setup today we are expecting for continuation is European dollar. We're going to go over analyze on the later review video. Okay, let's move on. The next trade we're going to unfold is USDDKK. Okay, this is an awesome trade. Along with European yen and the New Zealand yen, this is a one hit the target and the close in a very short amount of time. Along with the continuation trade, MACD going up, trend line forming with possible entries right here. We did, and 1 to 1 done. This is a very good trade. In short amount of time, we have 1 to 1 return reward in a very short amount of the paid risk. Okay, so USDDKK is a perfect one for continuation. The last unfold is Singapore yen. Singapore yen in the June 8th did not trigger the entry, which is right this area, till the market close, which is last minute the pricing dropped down here, which we already closed the limit trade. But as the continuation trade, if this is going to be another pullback, this is going to be a good continuation trade setup. We are expecting for entry point, stop loss, and 1 to 1 target around here. Okay, so we got a perfect USDDKK unfold and profitable trade on European yen and New Zealand yen. Those are unfold from the June 8th pairs. Today we are going to the new week, June 11. We have couple setup we are going to review one by one. Okay, the first one is Australian yen. For this pair, we have the matrix up, violate this supply zone, and back and the trend line is going up with violet supply zone, create a new demand zone, pricing going back right here, and break up again, create another demand zone. According to the Fibonacci cluster, this area is going to be a very cluster expecting entry area, and this is going to be a stop. Going for a higher time frame, we are in a long-term trading as a demand zone. So hopefully this one can go back, or we're going to see how that's going to unfold before the London. If no trigger, no trade, then we close the limit orders. Alright, so next possible setup pair is European dollar. Okay, we just have this pair trigger for the short. When the video started, this one has been triggered for short in downtrend, make it going down, reaching the demand zone. So got to be very watch out for this area. It's not breakout yet, but we have some violation of demand zone right here, along with the trend line MACD. So expecting continuation short. But overall, I'm expecting pricing moving down, making some divergence. If this one demand zone can hold, but we want to see this high to be breakout first, or being tested and form a new supply, the new demand zone to confirm the direction going up. Otherwise, this is going to be the downtrend continuation we are going to expecting. The limit order has been triggered, stop, expecting target, and we'll see how this is going to unfold. So let's move on to the next one. Singapore Swiss yen. Okay, this is the similar situation to the Australian dollar. The MACD going up, supply zone be violet, now create the demand zone right here, with breaking high, responsible low, and the day chart is going down, haven't violated this supply zone yet. So gotta be watch out when you trade in the longer time. We are expecting the more taxing on the upside. And weekly we are down as the demand, along with the inside candle here. So as long as no new trend line or demand supply being violet, we will look in this as the down as buyers for long term. But the short term, make this up, trend line is up, and we got a violation here, create a new demand right here. According to Fibonacci cluster, from this low to this high, we got a cluster right here, right this area, and right this area. So expecting entry, since this one has been come back to testing this demand already. Hopefully we'll come back to testing this line for trigger limit order for the short term long position. Just for the continuation trade, this is a triangle right here. dimension 1, 2, 3, and we are in the middle of dimension to the 4. So this is a continuation for the dimension 2 along to the 4 area. So expecting going up if the divergent trade right here been triggered. We want to see the demand zone being violated before we can enter for a short, because the big bias is short. So beware of the first target. For the trade setup and target taking, everyone have the different strategy, 1 to 1, 1 to 2, or 1 to 3, or even higher. Depends on every different trading plan. So beware of the upside. Okay, so move on. The next one is dollar Switzerland. Okay, this is similar situation to the Australian yen as well. The MACDs are this supply zone is actually be broken. So you see right here the high, and it is being broken up, and this is the responsible low, create a new demand. So uptrend trend line, and this is a weekly price reach the demand with unrecognized candle pattern here. So big buyers could be long, but we want to see further confirmation for long in the bigger time frame. For the short term, we had the MACD up, supply zone being violated, and create a new demand and a new demand. So along this trend line, Fibonacci cluster from this low, this low, this low, this low to this high. We got 1, 2, 3, 4 cluster. So expecting entries would be the closest demand zone, and this is going to be possible short-term uptrend if we can see any reaction on the next supply zone right here before we call any downtrend. So here's a triangle, so we are in the continuation pattern up. Okay, last pair, dollar yen. Okay, so all the yen, Australian yen, dollar yen, US Sweden, Singapore, Switzerland is point in odd duration for short term. Crossing pair confirmation, this is a good sign for the same situation happen along in different pairs or relation pairs. For this pair, same thing, make this up. The supply has been violated, now become the demand, and this is the demand, and the trend line is up with the inside candle in demand zone day chart, and we are in the demand zone higher time frame. So this is a really good uptrend setup for the big dimension trade at the continuation pattern 2, along with the Fibonacci cluster for here, here. So expecting entries with the closest demand and the stop right down here, and we're looking to see profit target right here. If you're looking any upward, we still have some room. Maybe the pricing will go up here, but we'll see how this is going to unfold. But my target point is 1-to-1, fast in, fast out. That is my philosophy of the trading. So unfold on June 8th and the possible setup in June 11th was all the pairs we just went over. If you see any helpful setup that's alignment with your trading plan or any information that's confirmed with your trading strategy, that would be great. And just feel free to share my video, subscribe my video, and follow my video to see how the setup going to unfold. Um, Thank you for the people watching, subscribe my video, sharing, and visit my website. For any question, comment, or feedback, feel free to leave to me anytime. We'll come back to see how those pairs gonna unfold for the next day or two. Thank you for watching.